Come, small YouTubers. I am here today with my heart is heavy, and I came to offload the challenges that we small creators on YouTube face. Is mind blowing. So many things will look down on you as a small creator. The weather will look down on you when you want to create, as in that particular time that is perfect for you to create. It will start raining. Your room will be dark. Everywhere will be dark. The power holding company will work against you. They will not bring light. As a small creator, hey, the algorithm will deal with you. A small creator, the algorithm will deal with you. The same content you know that you put in your very best to create, the same content you know that you did your research, you did everything possible, you clean your phone camera, you did this and do that, and after creating and editing it and uploading, it will have a very few views. Then another big creator will create some same content, like putting in lesser effort, and you see it blowing up. Algorithm will sit down one place, cross leg, and be looking at you like, what can you do? You are a small creator, what can you do? You, as a small creator, the gadget you are using will be working against you. You'll be recording and the thing will just stop. Memory full. Hey God. As a small creator, a lot of things will go on. I know a day I was live streaming. I haven't gotten up to 1K subscribers, right? And I was live streaming, and it was as if algorithm picked up my video that day and was moving around with it. A lot of people were joining. I had a lot of views. I was about to enter 1K views. You know what? I just got a message that I cannot have up to 1,000 viewers on my live stream because I don't have up to 1K subscribers. Like, how? Why would you do that to small channels? You say, why would you do that to small channels? I am a small growing content creator trying to grow, and I see the opportunity to grow. You are telling me, no, I should sit down there. Oh, my leg will break. Oh, if I stand up, oh, that I'm not strong enough. Are you me? Why don't you allow my viewers to come in and watch? You know whether from that particular live stream, whether I will have that up to 1K subscriber immediately. I'm going to just push them away, and they didn't join. They did not. Or is it the day that you saw that there is light? Immediately you on your camera, you prepare, wear your clothes, on your camera to start recording. Pium, they will take the light. All through that day, you will not see, not even flashing of light. People that is living in Nigeria like myself who attest to this. I remember the day I had just 30 minutes to shoot before my baby wakes up. I was preparing. Immediately I got out of the bedroom, wear my clothes and all that. Everywhere became dark. When I say dark, I mean like it was like in the middle of the night. Rain. It rained that day for over 5 hours. Me that wanted to create content, I just cancelled it. Or is it when you put on your mic, your cheap mic, on it, mic that you know that you fully charged to, you put it on and on it. If you notice these days, I don't wear my mic. I have mic. I don't wear them again because I cannot be recording and be thinking, is this mic still working now? Is it still connected in what I'm doing? Or will I finish shooting and find out that the mic failed me? How am I supposed to start over again? It has happened to me several times. So I had to keep the mic one place. I beg, go. Since they have sent you to frustrate me, stay one side. The memory full part has happened over and over. And what I usually do before I start recording is I have to go and clear important things. So some things that I'm not supposed to even delete, I will still delete them. Yet, God, I'm not saying this thing to discourage anybody, no. I want you to see this video and start laughing. Yes, because of me, so I want to see this video in the next year to come and laugh about it, because by then, miracle no dey tire Jesus, right? Things might have happened and this would have been history for you, for me. Okay, I want you to see this video as an encouragement that that thing you are passing through, you are not left alone. Is it why I'm sweating? Because why not? There is no light. I can't even on my AC. I don't have money to pump fuel. So let's do it like this. It is growing that we are growing. We not buy anybody. I want to encourage you, small creator. I'm also encouraging myself. Do not give up. Do not relent. If you are tired, you can rest. And after resting, pick up yourself again and try again. Who knows, maybe this time you're going to get it right. Okay? And always watch videos that motivate you, not the ones that will make you question your ability on this YouTube app. Okay, I want you to start watching videos that will motivate you. Enough of watching all those high-end content creators that has almost made it. I'm not saying you should not watch them, okay? But in as much as you watch them, also try and watch people that are into the same struggle as you are, right? People that are feeling what you are feeling. From there, you pick one or two, add it to yours, and maybe, just maybe, right? If you are facing one or two, or you have faced something similar to what I just explained a few moments ago right now, kindly tell me your experience in the comment section, and we'll read it together and laugh about it, because I'm not going to get angry. I'm not going to get angry. Is it the time that the weather is perfect, there is light, there is the AC is blowing and all that, and my daughter will not agree to sleep, so I will not do the video again because I can't. So there are a lot of experiences. Just share yours in the comment section, okay? Let's just encourage ourselves and do better. We'll see at the top. That is the most important thing. All right, bye.